Is your phone is started hanging or lagging? How can you solve that issue? Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to this channel again. In this video, I'll be showing you that if my phone is started hanging, so how can I solve this problem, or how can I prevent my iPhone from lagging or hanging or any type of technical problem inside my device. Firstly, we just need to understand that our phone hang due to the over storage or any type of malware inside our iPhone. So there is very low chance of malware inserting or defending your iPhone. So the second thing is most important, that is your storage. Firstly, check your storage that is good enough or not, there is enough storage on your iPhone or not. To run any application, the iPhone needs a fresh background or some or some value of storage in your iPhone. So firstly, we just have to check that there is enough storage on my iPhone here. I will scroll to the down like this, and or you can also search on your search bar, that is storage. In storage, you can see there is iPhone storage, that is 97.7 GB of 128 GB is already in use. Like, there is 50 GB used in my iPhone right now. If your storage is low, you can just select application from here and you can delete them and clear some storage inside your iPhone, and after that your iPhone would not hang anytime if you use any type of application or if you're watching video on any application. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any question, any query, or any type of confusion regarding any topic, so just drop that topic into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this. Keep watching, keep loving.